Hey Zach, can you give us some information on how to maintain some batteries?
Sure thing, Shannon. Come check this out. So, what I like to do on any of your lead acid batteries, get you a little flathead screwdriver you'll have anywhere at home. You want to pop your caps off very carefully. It's also helpful to have a flashlight on hand. What you'll do is you'll inspect the inside. There's a metal plate on each hole. Put the water just above the hole. You can use a household funnel. Only use your distilled water, nothing else. Once you're done filling each one, make sure you fill all the holes, put your caps back on, pop them down. Job done. Now, another problem that people run into is, what if I have gel batteries? I have an Epic here, and if you look at this cart, these batteries don't have caps that you can remove. These are sealed, maintenance-free batteries that we carry here. So you have to do nothing at all to these batteries. Only thing you want to do is check your cables. Time frame on any battery maintenance is once every 30 days. Set yourself a calendar reminder. That's the easiest way to do it. That help?
Yes.